Now dear students, in next content in this unit is types of organic reactions, right? First is addition reaction. Addition reactions are shown by unsaturated hydrocarbons. For example, alkene and alkyne, right? Benzene also shows addition reaction in drastic condition, right? Now children, if unsaturation is alkane type, then addition of HCl, this alkane is ethene, addition of hydrochloric acid to ethene and formation of halide. This halide is chloroethane, right? Conversion of ethene into chloroethane by addition reaction or by addition of hydrochloric acid. Conversion of ethene into ethanol by addition of water molecule. When H2 is taken, then one hydrogen atom of water molecule goes to one carbon and OH group to second carbon, right? Then formation of ethanol. Okay children, if propane is taken, then propanol, right? Propanol 2. Elimination reaction. Elimination of atom. For example, halide, chloroethane. 2 carbon containing, maybe more than 2. Minimum 2 carbon atoms are required, right? 2 carbon containing halide in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide gives alkene, and this alkene is ethene. And byproducts are KCl and water, right? Children, this is alpha carbon. Carbon atom which is attached with functional group, here functional group is halogen, is known as alpha carbon, and adjacent carbon which is attached with alpha carbon is treated as beta carbon. Next, gamma carbon, right? Here is elimination of beta hydrogen. Which hydrogen? Hydrogen atom which is attached with the beta carbon is beta hydrogen, right? Simultaneous elimination of halogen and hydrogen. This elimination reaction is also known as dehydrohalogenation or beta elimination. Elimination of alpha hydrogen is alpha elimination and elimination of beta hydrogen is beta elimination. Final product of elimination reaction is always alkene, unsaturated, right? 2 steps elimination, then alkyne. Right? Elimination is just opposite of addition. Addition reaction gives saturated product and elimination reaction gives unsaturated product. Okay children, this condition, this experimental condition is important, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, if aqueous is taken, then displacement occurs. Right? Next is substitution reaction or displacement reaction. Substitution reaction is shown by saturated hydrocarbons like alkanes. Alkanes in the presence of halogen and sunlight give substitution reaction. Here alkane is methane. Substitution of one hydrogen by one halogen, then formation of halide. This is chloromethane or methyl chloride. Conversion of methane into methyl chloride by substitution reaction or by halogenation reaction. Here functional group is halogen. This process is halogenation. Halogen is chlorine. This process is chlorination. Chlorination of methane gives chloromethane in first step of substitution. Here 4 hydrogen atoms are present. 4 hydrogen atoms are attached with carbon. All hydrogen atoms are equivalent. Complete substitution or chlorination of methane gives CCl4, which is carbon tetrachloride. CCl4, trichloromethane or carbon tetrachloride. But this is one step substitution. Okay children? Third type of reaction, fourth one. Fourth type of reaction is rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction occurs due to methyl shift or hydrogen ion shift or proton shift. For example, dehydration of alcohol, right? This is alcoholic product. Reaction of this alcoholic product in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid acts as dehydrating agent, right? Eliminates water from alcoholic product, right? First step is a protonation. This is showing protonation of this alcohol. Proton of concentrated sulfuric acid is accepted by lone pair of electron of oxygen atom. Okay children, this is OH2, protonated alcohol, right? Next step is dehydration. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, dehydration occurs. Elimination of water. This is the point of cleavage. Bond breaking between C and O. After complete breaking of this chemical bond, then elimination of water, H2O. Then what is left? This cationic part, this positively charged carbon. Okay children? This positively charged cation, carbon or carbocation is primary carbocation. This carbon is attached with one carbon only. This is primary carbocation, right? But primary carbocation is less stable than secondary carbocation and tertiary carbocation, right children? The next step is methyl shift. Shifting of this methyl group to this carbon, right? After shifting, then formation of tertiary carbocation, C plus. Positive charge is present on tertiary carbon. This carbon is tertiary because this carbon is attached with 3 other carbon atoms. And this carbocation is more stable than this carbocation. This shifting is methyl shifting. Due to shifting of methyl group to this carbon. Okay children. Next one, rearrangement of hydrogen. After proton shift, proton elimination of one proton from this carbon, right? Then here is formation of double bond between C and C. C double bond C after elimination of this proton. This is showing proton deprotonation. Protonation means reaction with proton and deprotonation means elimination of proton. Okay children? The final product of this alcohol is alkene, right? But this unsaturated product is obtained by rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement of this group from this position to this position. Which one from this position to this position? This is rearrangement. Okay.